The BREVILLE Handy Mix Scraper was the best hand mixer we picked in this list. This mixer has over 200 customer reviews, with 4.7 stars average ratings on Amazon. With plenty of power and uniquely thoughtful features, like coated beaters that don't rattle against bowls. This mixer was the most versatile one we listed. It can quickly switch between 9 different speeds to handle a range of tasks, like creaming butter, mixing chunky doughs, or gently folding batters without straining. A timer, a pause button, and a light that shines into the bowl save time and take some of the guesswork out of a high-stakes bake. The BREVILLE was the most comfortable mixer to use and clean, with a handy quick release for beaters, and a snap-on storage case to neatly consolidate its attachments. We think it's worth the relatively high cost for people who want the best results. According to their specification, the MULTIMIX 5-hand mixer delivers 50% more power than leading competitors. It has over 140 customer reviews, with 4.6 stars average rating on Amazon. Quick cleanup. Easy clean design has a completely sealed system, so nothing gets inside the housing, and dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning easy. With a 350-watt motor, you can knead and chop even the toughest ingredients for your favorite recipes. The one-touch Vario control speed dial lets you fine-tune your mixing with 9 speeds, and a turbo for your toughest ingredients. This powerful mixer included dough hooks are up to the task. The versatile chopper attachment lets you prep ingredients as the perfect mix. The CUISINART 9-speed hand mixer is easily one of the best mixers on the market. It has over 1,700 customer reviews with excellent average rating on Amazon. The mixer powers on and off with a single button. A digital screen displays the speed settings, which are operated with up and down buttons. The CUISINART hand mixer is ideal for heavy-duty tasks, thanks to its 220-watt motor. You can control the 9-speed options with the same hand that's holding the mixer. There are 3 slow start speeds that keep ingredients from splattering. The device comes with a spatula, chef's whisk, dough hooks, and beaters that store easily in the snap-on storage case. This mixer also comes with a 3-year limited warranty. The KITCHENAID 7-speed hand mixer is lightweight and much more affordable. It has more than 1,300 customer reviews with excellent average rating on Amazon. This particular model offers speed, safety, and multiple functionality that others may find hard to match. Other aspects of this mixer worth noting are the soft start, which prevents splattering of ingredients by gradually increasing the speed of the beaters. The unit also comes with KITCHENAID's stainless steel turbo beater 2 accessories. These beaters have a unique streamlined design that allows the mixer to blend heavy ingredients. The device weighs in at 2 pounds, which makes it easy for people with arthritis to use. This is another perfect mixer for those who are just getting into cooking or baking. It has over 200 customer reviews, with 4.5 stars average rating on Amazon. Premium electric hand mixer with powerful beaters. With a 250 watts motors and 5 different speeds to help you whisk, mix and knead, and the turbo of the hand mixer can help you more efficient and quick. The mixer's surface with stainless steel design is more durable, and the storage case is more convenient to storage attachments.